For the past few months, numerous reports are doing rounds about North Korea's leader Kim Jong-un's health condition. Rumors about Kim's ailing health has been swirling around after he was not seen publicly since April. Some had even speculated that Kim might have died, but these rumors were quashed after he was seen at a fertilizer factory's opening ceremony. In the latest, reports are doing rounds which claim that Kim Jong-un is in coma. The reports are based on a startling statement made by Chung So-min, Political Affairs Secretary of South Korea's late President Kim Dae-jung. Chung alleges that Kim is in coma and he got to know about this piece of information from his source in China.
I assesses him to be in a coma, but his life has not ended. A complete succession structure has not been formed, so Kim Yo-jong is being brought to the fore as the vacuum cannot be maintained for a prolonged period.
If we have to go by Chung's words, then Kim's sister Yo-jong will be at the helm of affairs. South Korea's National Intelligence Service believes that Kim has already delegated some of his powers and responsibilities to his sister. It is to be noted that though Kim efficiently consolidated power, there is no indication that he has designated an heir. So by default, it is most likely that Kim's sister Yo-jong will succeed as political leader. Yo-jong is the younger sister of Kim Jong-un. She is considered to be close and powerful ally to Kim. Since 2014, she has been protecting her brother's image and party's propaganda. She was the first member of the Kim dynasty to visit South Korea. Yo-jong was part of the delegation to the Winter Olympics. She took several senior roles in April 2020 when her brother was absent during public events. She is rumored to be married to the son of Choi Rong-hae, the powerful party secretary and Kim's second-in-command. It is reported that she has been delivering strong messages to South Korea. She is touted to be the new point person on inter-Korean affairs. Yo-jong is believed to have managed Kim's public appearance and has also served as a political advisor. Chung went on to say that pictures released by North Korean media projecting Kim is in pink of health are fake.
The photos released by North Korean media of Kim Jong-un in recent months are fake. The power restructuring does not make Kim Yo-jong the successor to the North Korean ruler.
If Chung's words are true and Kim is in coma, then it would leave North Korea in an unplanned succession for the first time in 72 years. If Yo-jong takes charge, then it needs to be seen if the male-dominated society in North Korea would support the woman to become the supreme leader.